Question number 13. Subdivision A. A sequence has nth term 3n square minus 1. Find the second term in this sequence. Let's take n is equal to 2. So 3 times 2 square minus 1 gives us 11. So which means the second term in the sequence is 11. Subdivision B. The table shows the first 5 terms of sequences A and B. Complete the table to show the nth term of each sequence. So we have to find out the general formula for both the sequences. So first sequence, let me get the difference between the two terms, consecutive terms. This is 4 and 4 here and 4 here also and 4 here also. So this is an AP, arithmetic progression. So for A, sequence A, nth term is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times b. A is minus 6, that is the first term in the sequence, plus n minus 1 times 4. Minus 6 plus 4n minus 4, which gives us 4n minus 10. So let me fill it here. 4n minus 10 is the general formula to get the nth term in sequence A. Now sequence B, let's get the difference. This is 14 and it's 38, 74 and 122. Let's get the second level difference. 38 minus 14 gives us 24. 74 minus 38 gives us 36. 122 minus 74 gives us 48. So again, next level, because we have not reached to the level where all the differences are same. So 36 minus 24 gives us 12. Now 48 minus 36 gives us 12. So we have done this process 3 times. So obviously this is a cubic sequence. So for cubic sequence, first difference is 6a. 6a is equal to 12, where a becomes 2. Now the second difference, 12a plus 2b is equal to 24. So 12 times 2 plus 2b is equal to 24. So 24 on the left also and right also. So 2b becomes 0, which leads b to 0. Next, third difference, 7a plus 3b plus c is equal to 14. 7 times 2 plus 3 times 0 plus c is equal to 14, and 14 plus c is equal to 14. Again, c also becomes 0. Then the last one, a plus b plus c plus d is equal to, that's the first term in the sequence, which is 3. So a is 2, b is 0 plus 0 plus d is equal to 3. So d becomes 1. So in a cubic sequence, The nth term can be got by this an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. Right, so let's substitute a, b, c, d into this. So a is 2, now 2n cube plus b becomes 0, c becomes 0, so these two terms vanish, plus 1. So this is the formula to get nth term. Question number 14. Two solid steel statues are mathematically similar. The smaller statue has height 12 centimeter and the larger statue has height 15 centimeter. The larger statue has a mass of 2.5 kg. Density is 8 gram per centimeter cube. Fine. Calculate the volume of the smaller statue. So, volume of the smaller statue. Let's actually the shapes are mathematically similar, which means volume of the smaller statue by volume of the larger statue is equal to height of smaller statue by height of larger statue, the whole cube. Now we don't have the volume of the smaller also and the larger also. So let's calculate, but some other information is given related to the larger statue. So let's get the volume from that. Density is equal to mass by volume. So these two are for the larger. Then density is 8 gram, 8 gram per centimeter cube. So mass has to be, the mass has to be changed from kg to the gram. So which gives us 2.5 into 1000 by V of L. So V of L becomes 2.5 times 1000 by 8, which gives me 312.5 centimeter cube. Now let's get back to this formula. Vs by Vl is equal to Hs by Hl the whole cube. Vs is what I have to get. So Vl I know now 312.5 is equal to height of the smaller one is 12 and height of the larger one is 15, the whole cube. So Vs is equal to into 312.5, which gives us 160 centimeter cube. Question number 15. Students in a class P take a test. These statistics show information about their marks. Lower quartile, median, interquartile range, highest mark, all these are given. Draw a box and whisker plot to represent this information. So do this. Let's check whether we have the lowest mark. The highest mark is given here. So I need to get the lowest mark from this. Range will help me to get that. Range is equal to 81. Range is H minus L. That is the highest minus lowest is equal to 8. Highest is 96. So L will be 96. Oh, range is 81. Sorry. 96 minus 81, that is 15. So the lowest mark is 15. IQR is equal to 28, that is Q3 minus Q1 is equal to 28. Q3 minus Q1 is 38. So Q3 becomes 28 plus 38, that is 66. Now that we have all the parameters, we can start plotting that. So before plotting that, take a look at the scale given in the graph. Then the lowest mark is 15. 15. This is 10, 12, 14, 15. The highest is 96. 80, 90, 92, 94, 96, 96. Then Q1 is 38, median is 53, Q3 is 66. Yeah, so now that we have plotted all of these, let's connect them. And label. This is the lowest, and here is the highest. Q1, then the median, and Q3.
Subdivision B. Students in class Q take the same test. For class Q, the median is 49 and the IQR is 35. Make two comments comparing the distribution of marks for class P with that of class Q. Now the median of P is 53 and the median of Q is equal to 49. So median of P is greater than median of Q. So which means that class Q has scored few marks on average. Then second point to compare is a IQR. IQR of Q IQR of Q is 35. This is greater than the IQR of P, which is 28. So this says that class Q have a large spread of marks. Or because the IQR of P is less, we can interpret it as P is more consistent than Q.